Hello everyone! Again, welcome to Jody Cooking Channel. For today's video, we are going to make special Puto Flan. And now we have here the ingredients of our flan mixture. We have here 10 egg yolks, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/2 teaspoon of lemon juice, 1 can evaporated milk, 1 can condensed milk. First, we are going to beat the egg yolk slowly so it will not create bubbles. Then pour the condensed milk. The evaporated milk. The lemon juice. The vanilla extract. And stir well. And strain for the first time. Again, strain for the second time. A fine strainer. Then set aside. Now we are going to prepare the puto mixture. We have here 5 egg whites, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, 3 cups of water, 1/2 cup of butter, melted butter or oil, 1 cup of powdered milk, 1 1/4 cup of white sugar, and 4 cups of all-purpose flour. First, we are going to mix all wet ingredients like salt, vanilla extract, and the oil, the sugar. Stir, add the water, stir. I forgot the 4 tablespoons of baking powder. Now we are going to sieve the flour. And the milk. The baking powder. Now we are going to mix well. Mix well until combined. Set aside, and we are going to prepare the molder. I put oil or grease in the molder. And we are going to prepare the steamer to boil. Prepare the molder into the steamer basket. And pour the flan mixture using measuring cup. Just estimate 2 tablespoons of flan mixture. Now we are going to steam the flan mixture for 3 to 5 minutes. Remove from steamer and let it cool. Next, we are going to pour the puto mixture by using another measuring cup. Pour in the flan mixture. And steam for another 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, let's remove from the steamer. Now we are going to unmold the Puto Flan. And now let's taste our special Puto Flan. So delicious. So yummy. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell to update you in my next videos. Bye!